In iCON software version 1.5, it's possible to create detailed reports of volume calculations immediately, whilst still in the field. This video shows how to create the terrain model, how to calculate the volume of the model, and how to produce the report. So to begin the process, I enter the volumes application. Here's one I measured earlier. These points were already measured using the ICG60 GPS antenna. To create a surface from these measured points, enter the toolbox and select New Surface. In order to include points in any surface calculation, they need to be selected. I can select points individually by tapping them, or I can select them all at once using the Selection Window option. Following the Info Panel guidance, define the selection window by tapping on opposite corners. Once Accept is pressed, the points are selected and can be included in the surface creation. After selecting End Surface from the toolbox, the surface is created, based upon the points that were selected. Note that this approach is using points that have been previously measured. It is also possible to measure points whilst in the volumes application and directly use them for surface creation. To calculate the volume of this surface, the surface must first be selected. Then, from the toolbox, select Calculate Volume. Within the volume calculation screen there are 4 options, each corresponding to a different calculation method. I will select Stockpile. The calculation occurs immediately. The results are shown in the first step of the calculation wizard. Included with the volume are area, perimeter, and surface height data. In the next step of the wizard, it's possible to apply a multiplication to the volume calculated in step 1. This may help to calculate a more realistic volume if the material is to be excavated and removed, for example. After the calculation is complete, it is possible to create a volume report. I will run through the process of creating a PDF report. From the home screen, access Reports, Report Style, I'll select Hexagon, Volume Calculation, in this job there is just one to select, Points included in the report, I will display just 5 points rather than all of them. Now I define the report location and its format. I will store the report internally in the Reports folder. For file format, I will select PDF. iCON immediately displays a preview of the report so that I can check the format. Once Accept is pressed, the report is generated and stored in the specified destination folder. In this case, it's the Reports folder, as specified within iCON. That folder is open here, and here is the report. So the report consists of company name, logo, and contact details, all of which are configurable, as explained in the report configuration video. Project and job are named, along with date and time of access. The coordinates of the points are displayed, in this case 5 boundary points and 5 surface points. If points were recorded using GPS, the coordinate quality figure is displayed. If the points were recorded using TPS, then TPS setup information is displayed here. At the bottom of the report are the volume, length and area statistics which were shown in step 1 of the calculation wizard. The swell factor calculation is also included. A picture of the terrain model is shown. So this video has explained how to create a terrain model, how to calculate the volume of it, and how to then create a report of the calculation, all using iCON still in the field.